Okay, so I have this turkey that I got on sale. It was half the price, and it was one of those turkeys that had the plump chest. So I didn't have a real turkey for Thanksgiving, and I thought, God, I miss it. So I'm going to go ahead. I was going to wait to do this for my birthday, but I decided, oh, what the heck, I'm just going to do it. And I can have some for the week, make turkey sandwiches, and just do some, you know, freeze some of the turkey and then make a stock, and that way I can have it and make some turkey soup, because I do like turkey around this time of the year. So I basically, what I did was I stuffed it with bell peppers, onions, and carrots, and that's it. Oh, and celery, and that's it. And then the butter has compound butter, not compo butter. Compound butter has it has some Cajun seasonings in it, and it has some Cajun seasonings, and it has salt and pepper and granulated garlic, 21 granulated onion, and 21 seasonings. So it's pretty seasoned, and some salt. And I'm going to go ahead and pour some of my wine. I already poured some wine in there. So basically I poured like about maybe 3/4 of a cup. It smells so good. And then what I do is how I cook it really quick, just to let you know. And I have a couple videos that I've done. So what I do is I'm going to put some parchment on there. And then I'm going to put some foil. Okay, so parchment and foil. And then I'll have it cooking pretty much all night. This is going to be an all-nighter. So if you want to do a turkey for a special event or whatever, you can do it all night. And I'm going to put it at 275. And then I'll probably wake up in the middle, probably around 3 or 4 o'clock, and then check up on it, and then drizzle some more of some wine on it. I'm not going to put any more butter, or I might, I don't know, we'll see. I might put extra butter on there, and that's how we did our turkeys, except for it had stuffing or dressing, whatever you want to call it. So, and then that's what I'm going to do, and I just put some parchment and some foil, make sure it's sealed, and then towards the end I remove the parchment and foil so it can brown on top. And that's how I do it. Okay. There'll probably be 2 of these. Okay. All right.